record, yeah?
Yeah, bro.
But it takes at least you get one still, so. Move this here, so please. Food water, pure water. No, oh, you're water.
No, I have to shove.
Eh? Shove. It's okay, no liquid. And that area. You know you're rich still, but I beg you, please.
But there is yet, you know, process. Get in there.
Football seasons representing your schools. It is an honor for you to be here and congratulate each and every one of you now.
Yo, before I was going to talk, I said, oh, me no see, like, a 9-9, you know? A 9-9, bro. I think I will left man them I will, bro. 9-9.
And for coming up, without further ado, I invite Mr. Andre Virtue to bless.
Jordan. How some no, but you can't go so far, bro. Go down closer now, man, and get some good shots.
MG, you must say, this is much better than look through.
Look through them,
Yeah, it's clean, bro.
People want food quality, bro.
Everything we get in it.
People want good quality, so we have to give them good quality. Don't get some of them up on the highlights. Shot.
Me a killer. MG, me a killer. You should put scheme MG.
Officially representing Jamaica, we invite our sponsors, Mr. Andre Virtue and Mr. Lake Davis to officially meet the team.
You're there, go me reading all of the highlights. I never said you did it there. Go, my friend. That was how move Mr. Arabic.
No, everything there, but they can't, the water not supposed to, liquid not supposed to be there.
Okay.
Too much. The money over there, so I lose something like mad. Mad out.
You will now have the captain of the primary
Never come on TV? You see me on TV?
his team to the executive.
Yeah, take this
I'm going to waste this money and buy a salary and I don't want it.
Virtue. This is a tremendous opportunity.
Yo, see that boy? Number 9,
It's a stage that
and I'm bored after the youth. The man they have beast himself now. I'm going to score for anyway, you know.
Got the bomb of them.
Yeah, dog. And then when him not ease out. I rate the boy, man. The boy can play well. Number 9 and stuff.
Yeah, boss.
once we
Yeah.
That's only.
I get into your community.
Sheen.
I know, man.
Oh. I know Sheen then. How do you sit down on the hot concrete guys? When I really want to sit down. When I really want to sit down.
We'll introduce you to your starting lineup. In the All-Star second team, representing the All-Prep lineup, number 30, Harrison McIntosh. Number 6, Daniel Blake. Number 8, Kyle Baker.
Where's it?
Number 3, Deborah Dixon.
You have money for you now? You have money for you now?
Number 12, they call him LeBron James, but it's a long ride. Number 9, Milan Stewart. Number 7, Antoine Miller.
Someone get my scholarship. My father go on too.
Number 11, Jude Dennis Morrison.
When we get there this year, I just go play.
Number 5, Kirk Holgate. Also representing the All-Star second team on the bench, we have Levi Clark.
That is.
Number 10, Tristan Vidal. Number 14, Jaden Grant. Number 13, John Harley. And number 4, Mr. Nugent Walker.
DJ, what you say?
And Robert Warren.
Orange side. Me not feel so, you know. Orange side, I have too much ball up on it. So me over here, so. Over here, so me say, bro.
Representing the All-Star primary.
Over here, so my money there.
We have John Dukes, number 1. Number 3, Zombie Brown. Big name. Number 5, Tyrese Manuel. Number 4, Peter Blake. Number 16, Corey Wilson. Number 8, John Martin. So here for the primary school fair, number 9, Philip Solomon. Number 10, John Ray Mitchell. Number 7, Wayne Dawkins. Number 13, Daniel Jackson. Number 6, Timothy Samuels, reserve. Number 11, Kevin Frey. Number 12, Tyler Johnson. Number 14, Martino Spalding. And number 17, Kamar Smith. All-Star teams are represented by Michael Lee Glendale, David Martin. And on the primary side, we have Damian McLean,
MJ,
David
have you are good?
and Shevlin Stamp, the team manager.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Thank you to the match officials that are also here. This is
Yes, it's, as of now, no man can.
Yeah. No one gets on here, but you know, we're gonna try it. I'll get one. We get one.
Yeah, MJ.
All right.
As of now, nobody tell me about using this no screen.
Huh? Yeah, take a picture of him.
From yellow side.
But there's a closer here than we have.
$5 grand on yellow side in a CJ.
So much?
$5 grand on yellow side.
Let's say 5 for orange then.
Alright, go on now. Put the money where your mouth there, no, sir.
Hey, where you say?
Huh?
Put the money where your money. Where you say? Orange.
$5 grand on orange side. And on yellow side. Yellow side.
No, no, like that. Orange side.
Lelo.
That's
So the orange that they have.
Let me watch the cap.
Yeah? Because all of them have broke my next door on this. Watch
So the banner center.
Tent in there, we?
Wait, let me check. Little bit, I can't see car on that. Up there, sir.
Yeah?
Can't see car up there, sir.
Yeah, because of the tent?
Yeah.
Backward.
My, did you remember, you know, $5 grand, you know?
Yeah, man. Orange side the money.
Yellow side.
Yellow and
You're going to pay for the line baller. That's good. Big man.
I've gone.
Big, you're big.
Jude.
Bellingham. What's your run?
Orange side. About the ballers.
Ballers.
No, no ballers.
Yo, you know, I said, look on about this full of talk, you know, go to snap a picture of them full of talk, your phone, you wonder how we get you know, people in the world.
It's cool, no?
You the first time you wonder what, you want to put up on your inside.
What now? The year that
Come in!
People, come for the bar, people. Ball give it nice, man.
share, I'm going to get watching match. I'm still not in the line. Probably that's what I mean. Also,
Which we are now going? But you want them to see me so.
Let's go! Move it up! Move it up! Move it up!
We are getting people there.
They're not going to put me.
Up. Go on the door there, son. Five, George, five. Let's go.
So the perfect orange, right? The perfect orange.
Let's go.
Spin!
Slam!
Look wide. Wait.
Let me get. I'm the no, I'm Americana. I'm really now.
Go wide. Oh, I'm on again. Go, nothing easy. Go.
When the football and go keep man alone, dog. That makes sense, bro. The football and go keep man alone.
What's going on? Further than that. It's the two-man wall. Where are we going?
Hit this square, lock off the camera.
No, still not. Who's the one? Who's the son in that one?
Ball is off, you know.
Yeah, me.
Can you hear from you that? Remember, I be with them still.
Enough is off still.
Be with them still.
No matter.
All right.
Go. Further than that, man.
Big man.
Let's go. Come on, man. Work.
You cross now. Beat one. Cross.
Hey.
Okay, some shot. Jordan. I just say one time, Jordan. Go up on the field, man. On the side of the field, so get some good pitch. Jordan, come on, man. Go up on the side of the field. On the side, go on the side of the field.
Let it go, let it go.
Look here, no?
Let it go.
Go on this one, on the side of the field. Eh? Where? I sit well, hide the height. What about children?
Open. Hey, come in.
No, you're good. You're children.
Come in, relax, man, there. Find him.
You're moving over 135. So I don't know where my done so far. What?
Come on, yo. Pass it.
Which one better, Nike or Canon? I think this is a thing where we start up.
Right. Hello.
We start up, Nike or Canon.
Get back there. Hello, sir. Stand up. Stand up. Let's come back.
Hold for work and also.
Hey.
MG, let go.
Team here.
No.
Good. Step up now. You step up. You step up. You step up to that table. Good. Yeah, man. Come on, yeah, man. Put it down.
Touch boy. A boy a ball. A boy a ball. That boy a ball.
That's not true.
A little boy a ball. Doesn't touch on the
Look. Turn around, look.
We would like to acknowledge Mr. Steve McLaren, the national head coach. Welcome to All Stars 2025, supporting the development of youth football in Jamaica.
Turn.
One more work. One more
Here
go.
one. Go. Fight for it. Fight for it, man. Fight for it. Don't make it up. You're fire. You're fire. Come on, let's go. We need more out here. Come on.
Him? The bad ball, yeah? Boy a baller. The boy a baller. Baller. The number 9 there. Baller. Nah, no question. Boy a big ball. One blue on you. Big ball.
What's MG?
Into the ball. Just call it. I'm going to bring the camera.
Jordan.
Come now.
Turn that temperature.
What? You could work it also.
Kick yesterday in the training. There. Who? That's him to go
You have one, like for the meat of heavy. Pull it on.
You see that, bro?
No, I'm not
You
talking
put the money on good now, what me I tell you?
I joke with them.
Remember, oh, you can't do that.
Right, look who you are, man.
Chop.
Look who you are, man. The number 7, get number 7, man. Get the number 7, team there, the tall one.
Score. Slip again. Where's it going?
Is on fire.
Listen, deserve it.
Step.
Goal. What? Goal!
MG.
Vai, stay on.
Well done.
Take us goal.
First score.
I was good.
Okay. So I call that now. I want to charge this type.
Let's go. Ready. Get them, LeBron. Ready. Let's go.
General, boy, a ball. Him know him the little one. The number 9.
Keeper.
See now, the shirt tuck in.
Oh, it's the number 5 on the orange side.
See number 12 on the orange side. In the right beside that number 2.
It's the number 8 then. It's the number 8 on the yellow side. I would kick that to you. You see the killer on the yellow side.
Come on, keeper.
Come on, keep that.
Your boy.
That was a legal strike by number 7. Getting closer.
Now come on, everyone. Come on, one last check. Whoever puts the left. Yeah. Why do I go to and then the last time, let's come on. Get the picture.
So let's go around everything to the ball.
Come again.
Yeah, man. You want to know who me at that?
You forget that, you have it too long. You have it too long. Where do you say things good? Christian Abba.
We have our first water break.
Alpha Bucket. For a long time, you know.
The all prep team 17 needs 1 goal today. Introducing the players and their schools are Daniel Blake, representing St. Peter Hall. Klein Wurzer, representing Cologne.
Did they appear to the dead and come on?
Region Walker, also representing Glenelg, Harrison Atlanta, Glenelg, Jalen Grant, Bas Perk, Kirk Holgate, Liberty, Emmanuel Christian Academy, Dijon Harley, Emmanuel Christian Academy,
Yo, sister.
Kingston Duval, AISK, Swindon Durant, Bulldogs, and Anton Mendo. We go number 7, we all for our second primary team. We have Denai Green representing St. Aloysius. Representing St. Aloysius. Raheem Wilson also representing St. Aloysius. Colin Saville representing Boys Town. Jaden McFarland also representing Boys Town. Xavier Brown representing Boys Town. Timothy Samuel, St. Francis. Tyler Johnson also representing St. Francis. Martino Small Neymar Anabinal representing Iris Elliott. Kemar Speed also representing Iris Elliott. James Robinson representing St. Aloysius. Tyrese Nines representing St. Aloysius. DeAndre Lewis also representing Neymar Walker representing primary and person.
Fruity. No, it's not Ochi.
Referee has signaled that it's time for America under 2 minutes water break.
You're going to take time.
Yeah. I wish ice cream place and listen now.
You know what?
Ice cream place and
Sure,
listen now.
boys stay hydrated
The one with it
with their
down beside KFC. Beside
Let's say, alright.
KFC.
Yeah, fruity, they are Ochi now, sister. Yeah, you can go and get ice cream still. Good ice cream, you know, in front of KFC, yes, sir?
Cross Street from KFC.
Cross Road from KFC. Yeah, you have one down from the base. Not far down from the base. Little bit past the gas patch shop.
Yes.
As I go cross the road, back cross from KFC, you go down to it, they're right there. You can't miss.
Number 7, you again, number 7. In school?
No, you're too fruity that. You have to go and watch for that one.
Another big goal where I want.
You have to go and watch for that one. I'm there.
Fun memory card.
Tiny?
Someone's at the top.
We have 2 substitutions for the All-Star Prep team. Jude Bettis
MJ, now talk to me now, MJ.
replaced by Dijon Harley. And Kirk Holgate was replaced
MJ,
by
communicate
Major
with
Craig.
MJ.
It's Messi.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Right
Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's the one of these people and something. No, we don't know how to shoot them now. We have to like, don't come with your money. We can't shoot them first.
Boy, I'm nervous.
Come on, man. All right, just go.
More things. That's all good. That's all good.
No, boy, man.
One thing about look on the thing, everybody want destiny. Destiny now come to you. Destiny now come to you. A D1 Yes.
Hey.
That boy can keep.
I'm the ball boy them.
They pick it up. They go up. They go like that.
Nah, square enough.
You know, the man them are 5-1 Arsenal win.
5-1?
Yeah.
What on?
Yeah, man.
What on there?
A friend, somebody tell me, a Charlotte man called from 5-1.
Big sign.
Them all equalize near.
Yeah, they equalize.
Yeah, me, they equalize.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't believe this.
Yeah, just, yeah. When we see them later, man, I consume content like a foolish. Eh? Well, Liverpool? We can't beat Liverpool. No.
Yeah, man.
No. I'm telling you, that's it. I'm telling you. Oh, hold on. How much you get?
Go in the box and take a knock, man. That's what Arsenal need to eat. That's what Man City eat. Yeah? And knock and pass, man. Football and take a rough.
Hey, MG, huh? How old are you? Are you got a 17-year-old?
Yeah, 18 now. No, second come, second play.
Substitutions are purchasing Stewart.
Tom, that's your Tom team. That's your Tom team in the face. Think I know more Wall City and give them a hard box. Hey, I did a chip. Yeah? I'm going to tell Alan, humble.
Yo, when Alan score, you want sit there. When the man
Yes, big celebration.
When the man come one hard. Right away, come and start to fight back. Right away.
Big side.
And then from that, them not even know where blood not ball reach them.
Big side.
But hey, Mr. Man have party after that.
Oh yeah, no come, so that's our box now. Bala. Listen, I'm not here, I'm not team in really. None. I fully fit Arsenal kill any team right now.
Right now.
No,
without soccer right now.
Oh, we don't have soccer?
We don't have soccer.
We don't have
We don't have
soccer.
soccer, we don't have Jesus. Ben White out. Jesus out for the season.
I want to look at that.
Who look at you that kill them now?
Anywhere I look at you, my Zeus kill I look at you. What dog walk everything.
No. When my boy, when they can give them on the ball and man, turn man and about 3 man in front of them and man. Hold up, walk and come up.
What box up everything there?
Anybody go walk right now, dead. 30,000. Listen. They gave me a Man U game at 30,000 today.
Go with it, man, go with it. Let's go.
Pull a tough shot though. Pull a tough shot though.
Crystal Palace will kill Man U.
You say, one about my side.
Oh.
One about my side.
Well done, defender.
Well defender.
My side they walk past man, no.
Who's that? I don't know, Man City support.
Upset, brother.
Where they?
Yeah, no, they're not following. Let's make it up.
MJ.
Yeah, Mr. Man. Yeah, man, nice. Yeah. That Mossy Thursday.
The school, no?
That Mossy Thursday.
Guess I was dead this week.
But when do we play then?
Check it and make hard. Man, you lucky, man, you get you know. I just finish with and I finish versus man, you know. I say go. Go on. Oh, no, I got the hat. You got the hat outside.
I'm not seeing it.
You get the boat, you get the boat. We can take it to right outside. What can you post it?
We get this we get more.
Go and shot them, go and shot them. So the two teams don't play. Prep second team, second team. Wait a minute, just look at that. Shot them, so shut up with them.
Why is killing me?
Nobody on there.
Are they money as support? High school is?
They're already.
High school is?
No man, all in on that different.
No man, they're already.
Yes, they're ready.
They talk, they talk.
The man not defend himself neither. Yeah, man say unready, not defend himself.
Yeah, be a more thing, I don't know. Man, I can't be a more thing.
I will kill him. I will not.
Right now, I make 12 prep school and beat them up.
I never said my load, I said they are inside.
12 prep school and I beat them up. Watch. One big last side, what?
Come on!
Oh, you can't have. And outside you come. Oh.
Outside the keep my birthday.
Yeah, outside keep it on the outside. The man beats him up, the line going to pass
In the front side of
You catch in? Go on. My bad ball, you take out number 9? When they?
Come on, why you put the ball in the air on the ground?
One step on the field, man. Bad baller, man.
Number 5.
No, man, number 5.
Number 5, bad man.
And then number 5, man.
Number 5,
9. You say, the number 9 there.
Yeah, man,
And the best baller on the field. The number 9 there.
And number 8.
And the 8, no, the one over there. The next one over there. Why?
The other side of them.
Yeah, man, why you watching? The number 9 over the ball. Why you watching? Look at the man, look at him. Why you watching?
I shot this man on the field.
Mr. Why you watching? I'm not about sight. Why you watching? Yeah.
But then they got the killer by primary side.
Yeah. Mr. Why you watching, man? I'm not about just when you watching.
But then they got the killer by field. Yeah? Number 5 I kill it. I wicked us.
You
say?
5, 7, and 9.
Hey man.
That's a 9 for which team then?
All prep this. It's all prep.
The number 9 on our primary is one of the best players on the pitch.
You do too much.
Number 4 touch up boy. The number 9 for our primary is one of the best players on the pitch. Now there's no question. Alright, so there's this youth that went down to this primary league, this basic school league. A boy named Daya Dior. No, Dior Daya. Dior Daya.
Which one, primary?
The mean said, that little youth is a super talent.
Which one, you know?
Super, about the Bridgeport primary.
Yeah,
And basic school or something like that. Primary. You got the primary school now. I did the competition last summer. I'm not asking no question. He's one of the best. I best little, must man about 9 or 10 years old when we see him.
Mike, you see him there, son?
Wow. Man, this is a dragon body style. Keeper.
I check it out. I'm fighting.
Good keeper.
Good keeper? Yeah. Good keeper, man.
Alright, so this guy can do one, Mike. Mike, so you can do him there, so I'm play for the
I was grade now. Grade 1, grade 2?
As the kids would say,
But me can brother, as big as we be, I don't even can see ball like him. Brother, you want to lock it. When you want to lock that,
That's when I watch all that. Back in the days, I was Premier League. Back in the days when I was a Premier League, I watch all that. Ching Su them all, Omar Dale them. Back in them prime, swim in them prime.
bad man. I said him bad man. I see little bit said this is a care normal. I didn't even if you have no trade on that. That was raw talent. See ball, no man him.
No man, I want to touch him today, touch him.
He may not be healthy, but I can't tell you. I want to have more technical play for the hands down. Them the days are done enough. Dutch boy.
Give him back, put this up, man.
Dutch boy.
And there.
Them boy can't kill him. Them boy can't kill him. Them boy flag on him.
Finishing good.
Where? Them boy rolling up. Flag on him.
Put the money where you're going there. But I'm going to say what you know. I'm born and dead countryman. Born and dead Yeah, where games in? Where games in?
Which half that? Game done?
I saw them up here.
No, I let them play 4 periods or something.
Yeah, but I look normally if you have the age group, you probably about 50 minutes per hour.
How long have you been?
McLean. What's up?
Much?
30.
No, sir.
That man there?
No.
That man there?
Can't put nobody.
Yes, sir.
We said no, sir. The man from Russell will give the job now.
If the big man there is, sir?
The man is staff.
Him?
Russell coach is there.
I beat them. When they meet them.
Yes, they have one boy in here.
Them come here and say, come on, no,
Yes, they have one boy in here.
Bucket! Bucket!
They have one boy in here. Him. And him dog walk everybody. Yeah, man. And him man. Him dog walk everything. Dog walk, we make dog walk everything. How much of it? I want to play last match. After eat. After so. No. You think you work it?
Yeah.
Well, now I've said hot man. Now I've hot man. Wow, they're interested. The left side hot too much. Alright. Check this out. Sister. How many else? This one, a hot side, this one. This one side. Go them all play game. And two hot side go play. It's our final game. No, all of them is fine. All of them. So they lose it. Well, man, when we see nice. All is a ball. I was a 9. 9. I could coach you now. Anytime, I didn't have to get rather than just be a coach over the top. I have to get him and get him and get him again. Oi! Abbiamo come facciamo? Ok. Andiamo a fare. Outside, you know. So what are you talking there? You don't know anybody who has well, that is true, but the man know you. When they come there yesterday, because the girl one ill forget it. I'm not saying, I'm agree with it. So I'm not saying, as a parent, why is it good? And when you come, especially under organization of can you imagine me now to blows on first? You know, the only thing with this one that we have here, just go to them, we have access to the boxes on that. Here, they're going to ask them, hold it up. Where's security there? How man is walking? Then they're playing at half time, so they have actually 4 games going to play today. Hello?
We are ready to resume the match.
Every man nice. Every man soft.
So this is we are ready to resume the start of the second half.
Every man. Woman.
All-Star primary, second team, All-Star first, second team. Please make your way back to the field. We are ready to resume the match. Get ready for the second half. Just a reminder for those just joining us, the score is All-Star 3, All-Star
Two different teams. One two prep games.
Yeah.
You go there, come on, score.
Probably let us up on my feet with the
Listening to DJ Ray.
Me? Think.
DJ Ray. Kingdom Ambassador. This is Primrose. Representing
Never started. The second is already.
Switch. You mean my boy? What them what you mean?
You see move like you know the game or the next one?
You know the game, man.
Okay, see you everyone's up in box.
You know coach, you know.
Let's go in
I suppose the captain.
No champion, it must be a prep school. Some prep.
I think I remember
Mona prep.
Mona prep.
Yeah, but they tell me that.
Yeah, Mona prep. Because a cafe, yeah. And you know, Mona like them like a great remember, right?
You still have a problem from last night, isn't it?
No, I do have female. I do have female. No, it's like a certain. As a female. That's the thing. The population of money.
You don't say I work with my youth. You know I work with me now.
Now what's up? Where one?
Talk to my youth, communicate with my youth.
When you're coming from the home, you have to keep doing them.
No, just drop the road. Yeah, just drop anything. No, man, no, just put this on top. Alright.
You know you can't put this funny. A big thing, you know.
Me not Who that? Who?
This man,
One or two soft there.
The one on the yard.
Referee, oh.
Big offside there.
Offside, big offside. Big offside.
What do you think you think of yourself and defender?
Black, I look at my steam and try.
Huh?
You are doing what? That's me.
Shot.
I'm going to take this here, right?
Second of the
Second generally, no?
Put it down.
Small, listen out. Hey. Keep me now, brother.
Just in the motion towards going back.
Them want the man, them is still saying.
Alright, coach, underestimate the son.
We don't want a man come here. No man
The big boy spell for
No man, number 7 Number 7 go all.
Watch it. Oh, it's a boy, it's going to be easy.
The other number 7 go.
I don't want Anderson. I don't want everything where they can get to know. And then don't have no youth program already. Well done, boy. Well done, defender. Boy, you fight, man. Hey! General. Keep up with the discipline.
Oh, no, kick right ball.
Right.
You see them a win ball.
Sometimes them girl want to feature with one thing with those Spanish singing that it girls want to be my cousin, who's the joke, she have it, no, some brown no, she want to sing that, sing that, and they want to risky. Hey, you're not too far out.
You want the kick?
Yeah? Bro, make me the talent identification. Hey.
Come in, big baller.
What you follow through here? With the camera, what you follow through?
What kind of?
Don't pile him. That's your general. Give me back the man. Give up him.
Pass the ball.
Emmanuel Christian Academy.
Proper central.
February, man. As soon as I need the result, them come out.
Yeah.
What the info?
See, I'm a general, bro. I look small. I'm small.
Some rumble, rumble, rough ride, I'm using a long live. Up down the steam, fish we can't pop down. Yeah, with the gun down.
Good shot.
That's cool, man.
I have running main camera Thursday in here.
Eh?
I have running main camera Thursday.
That's cool, man.
MG. No. Yeah, man, me don't. Yeah, me don't.
My side of Gary.
My side of them.
We're not the blue. All prep. All primary. Don't you say?
No, man, in every blue, so all primary, all prep this.
No, I'm just there today.
Looking at it.
Yeah, all prep.
Aesthetics.
Yeah, all
The
prep.
color and something.
Yeah, all prep.
Tell us how much I'm play them
When?
today.
No, man.
She much
This when them done play this one.
And for you know why? Say four and I can get it.
I roll me around me, so me reaching time.
They're too far.
So no person me come from good on this
Come
man.
get up for the time.
No, sir. No, so umbrella supposed to make care of.
No, man.
Never umbrella.
I 10 minutes leave.
MG.
Yeah.
You want 10 minutes, you hold 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're telling me I can't, you can just relax on my own. Just relax, dog.
You come on them lick down Jesus Christ.
I was by them second. I went there. You know what that's all?
Come on them lick down. You might come off.
You say more boss up.
No, sir, I'm not ready for come up.
Yeah, man, them there. No, I Premier League, I don't know. Thursday now? Oh, but that country?
Yeah, on Thursday and Sunday, I made it for them.
Oh.
See that?
Turn around. Get back in the middle.
Side all prime. Answer. Then I would have not
Get back in the middle.
Yeah, all prime. Couldn't get them
So them have more match up here.
No, man. After that, them don't know.
So we got the Irish team and play finals.
No, them are final this. Final this. Yeah.
What that you say?
MG, follow through, MG, follow through. Watch out, MG, watch out.
Now watch. That's what you have.
All-Star first team, please head on over to the Splurt tent to stay rehydrated. It's a hot day. We also want to remind
Them have free juice. Oh, the Spirit are good juice. Free juice.
No, I mean,
Rehydration.
all right,
Yeah, free.
them to come in market.
Yeah, man, a good one.
You know, I'm brother this
No, man, I'm
So who?
Please feel free to head over to the Splurt tent to stay hydrated.
shot, bro.
Go make him bigger. KJ, you're one. Good. Man in the back. Where are you? Let's go again. Good position, bro.
Good touch, boy.
Come on.
Touch upon him, man. Well done. I'll kick it.
No! You're the ball, the man. Get back in the middle. Get back in the middle.
Listen, man, so you get to the next piece. Life is a movie, you know, elements in, you know, anything. I know, boy, man.
Oh, boy.
Referee, drop ball. Good. Nice call, man.
Yes, good. That damage man. He's off on the ball.
Come again.
Get all away and go now. Give it. Pass him and give me. Pass it.
Hey, sorry, boy. Well done, boy.
Pass it. Dead. Dead.
That's right, am I walking up?
I'm telling you, boy, youth, man. The physical structure have a lot to do. It's not necessarily the more talented. The physical structure. Sorry, boy. They push out. Coach, yeah, coach.
No, but I know football in the MG. I need that, you know. Big foul throw that, man.
I mean, the man I work on a ref.
Apparently, I'm definitely going to get some IPO. I'm going to get some IPO referee again.
Took the girl out of here, that happened to me, boy, rabbit.
Julia, no, left foot. Good catch, boy. What?
No, that's wildness. You never have to do that.
Number 4.
Instead of go for the line, I just come here.
And he's up on the inside. Up on this man.
So it's a man, I just acting him, I think about at the same time.
Come on, man. Fight,
But you are 16, though.
Thank you.
Bro, come on, bro.
You're under pressure. Much more upload.
Eh?
Shut up about 3 more. And then that's it for the game.
What one?
Shut up, shit.
Okay, water break for
Again.
2 minutes water break. So the scoreline reads 4-0 in favor of the Waterford team. That's for the first of 2 third games to be played.
Yeah, right away, I don't know brother. Say the man got shot.
Maxwell!
How wicked is that? Yo, say that about that cool. Oh, that cool, you, bro. You can't do that, brother. Tell you, boy.
Tell Max the log one. See a blazer coming. Me there. I'll find a better one. Top. One. Top. Come up, sir. Come up, sir. Goalkeeper. Top. I need to see somebody. Yeah, man. We have the name
You know what me feel like?
Alright, so that is it.
Almost everybody.
Like me looking at me and say, I know you that. No, brother, take down what I wanted. I know you. Watch your way. I'm not getting that.
No man on that post, bro.
Yo, yo. Be a lapse on the dog.
What is post? No, you no go up. No go up and set up.
Right, so now we're kidding me in the dog.
Go on, do it. You have pressure on yourself.
Come on, shabba more.
No man, post two, yeah, let's go and post now. You have go about it.
Now work with me MG.
So I'm do. No man, I do.
Watch out now, I'm gone, you know. Right.
Where you have pressure on yourself? Go on, man. We're not setting the record already. The record already, man.
Yeah.
Go long, Bala, go long.
Hello, 5 feet up here around. That one must be
I swear.
Sure, man, my fast ball, bro. Just cool now, bro, man, tell us that me have flexibility in my road. You don't feel like a boss of us, you manage that watch player. Yes, sir?
Right, yes, sir. The boy is still up on the field? Number 7. Yeah, look at bar now, man. You don't hear it done, man.
What you want to know? If you hear me call you,
Yeah.
she's like chicken on.
Yeah.
So I like it. Definitely want to.
Also, the head of coaching and education at the Jamaica Football Federation.
My name is Silverson. From there, so drop off my car, slide up inside.
Silver what, son?
Silverson.
How are they?
Over St. Catherine here, Still have the place, I get it still.
Okay.
Yeah, but over there, so now,
Yeah.
trust me, it's nice.
I know if I remember. Like when you play
Yeah, man, it's nice. No, tell me what. Fever somebody when I know you know. Yeah, man, you fever somebody when I know. Say one boy that one just seems.
Some contact, not all contact.
Push down for the offside trap.
Yeah, man, pressure him, man, pressure him, pressure him, pressure him. Yeah. So you come there, come you come there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, you know wrestling? If you can see everybody, you can't react to it, bro. You can't react to it, you know what you
You can't say that for a while ago still, you know?
But the ball not going there, bro.
So two man knocked the while ago, man.
Like a person them.
When I dribble that one, the killer. That boy have talent now, man. Help. Let me tell you about the look number 5, you know.
Number 5,
Wicked piece of boy, man.
You better get a man back like yeah, that him that.
Yo, you know yards that man. It's tough and concrete, bro. Tough and concrete, man. You know, it's a little boy number 6 on the yellow side. Nah, no help. Never help.
Bro, drop on that, man.
True thing, man, he never help, man. I'm alone up there. I'm a fight. And my liquor son up there too, you know. Send him, you know. Send him, you know. Watch out. Find number 6. Beat him. Hey, number 5, don't beat him. Come on, get up, please. Number 6, number 6, please.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
Hello?
Shout him.
7.
Girl.
We are calling for one of the boss.
Call that, man. So they can't understand. Boss, like,
I see the cars. I said it to them.
You know, if you have food, I can be driver. Yeah, man.
Go watch exercise. One chip to the
But no, but busy.
And now you're taking intimidation. Come on.
Choose the down too late.
I know him going.
Choose the one too late.
One chip. One toilet.
Go
feet. First
registration. What? Registration. One today. We need the original.
You tired, man?
Move! Oh, when we never really check still. From in a few driver there.
What are tired here? Tired.
No. Oh, no, you can't pay the money though.
That money we say. You can.
No, the moon. I told them I'm coming up. So I know place.
Him. What if you have to get close inside?
Yeah.
So you have to close inside. You never see that now.
Time we got Charles.
Yeah, man.
I'm on the field. I don't know on Monday, so I will feel like say I usually have to play ball for together, bro.
Like coach good. On a knock the ball, just knocking. I know the ball game.
What happened?
Stop the game on you. Yeah, stop it. Every time the guy, you know, the American guy will go. But that's what American do. They talk about it in a check much today. If this talk come and plug in. Or plug in already.
Good team spirit and sportsmanship. We also ask coaches.
No, two other teams.
Hey, come here. Judy.
Congratulations to all the players.
All the selection. How much time? How much time? Yeah, 5, right?
Mr. Lake Davis, the organizer. And of course, lots of VIPs are here today. We would like to welcome Charles Cinco. This is football loyalty for Jamaica, Mr. Cinco. He is a Jamaica football legend. If you have the chance, feel free to go over and say hi and get a photo. That will make it safe. Congratulations once again to the All-Star Correct Second team. You did an amazing job, and as we get ready, we're not going today for the second game. I know Mr. Jones is enjoying himself back there, but as I take my leave, Mr. Jones, we have an agreement.
I'm not ready enough.
Let's get ready for the start of the second game. Referees, once again, will ask the teams to line up. And you will be necessary walkout and of course the handshake with your sponsors.
Where is it? Which one? This? This? This?
We're going to ask you to head on to the other side.